Hi guys, what's up? And today I am responding to all of these girls here. I got 6 and 5 girls there. So yeah, I'm gonna be replying to their messages and answering back because I think there's some loyal fans. Look, a little squad. This is Ella, your girl, Alexa, your girly Alexa. Layla, MSPYT. I'm guessing she's a YouTuber, I think. Okay, Special Girl 21. Look, these two girls actually called themselves Little Squad and Little Squad. Yeah, got some friends. So let's look at their message. Oh, they're not online right now. Oh, okay. Okay, let's look at their messages. Let's go on this. I need to text her in a minute. I'll do that off camera. Right, I'll be back in a minute because she's actually texted me. So, okay, so first one is Little Squad. Hi, I love you and Whitney. I watch your vids all the time. Heart. So I love you so much. Hope you aren't so sorry for spamming, by the way. It's okay. I'm really glad you enjoy my vids. You too. Yeah, I love you so much. I wish this is the real. My fits fit. Hi, I love you and Whitney so much. I watch your vids non-stop. Love you so much. Oh. Hi, I love yours and Whitney's vids. Just wondering why your name's called Little Roxana. Ma has made this hack. She called Roxana. I'm doing mail time next week. Okay, but can I have an ultra? Hey, there are all the messages. Is he texting me? Okay, never mind. I'm gonna change this. Do that. Yeah. Happy. Save. Yeah, so there are all the text on this. Why is this laggy so much? Yeah, I love you guys all so much. Thanks. Oh, wait. I'm going. Oh, what's happening? What's happening? Oh, no. No, 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 no. Oh, she's so sweet. I'm a part of Roxana's little squad. You sure are. If you're subscribed, then you definitely are. Let's see hers. I love little Roxana. I watch her every single day. I just hope she adds me back. Guess what, girl? You added back. I'll go next to you in a minute. Hi, I'm Alexa and I'm part of Roxana/Brittany's little squad. It's Brittany. Hi, I did her. This girl. I need to do Ellie. I love Roxana. She's my favorite YouTuber. Little squad. Hashtag little squad. Okay, anymore? No. Oh my god. What the hell has Pixie done to her face? Oh lord. Ah, that must be a good. I'm gonna switch a look at Pixie. Oh my god, what the hell? I'm gonna make a look of Pixie. Be back in a minute. This is what I made. It's got Mama. I bet you. See. Wait. I'll be back in a minute. I'm gonna try and make a look of Holly Nova. Like, literally, this girl is so poor. Right, I took everything off her. And I went, yeah, she's got two of them ugly, darn tops. Two of them, one of that, ugly hat, ew. And two of freaking them. Like, let me look at her looks. New looks. Okay. She's so boring and poor. XD. Now, let's try and make a look of Zach Sky. I'll be back in a minute. That's my look of him. He has a lotion. Has lol. People would actually like him more if he wore that. Okay guys, I know that was a very short video. Not feeling VIP. No, that was a very short video, but I will see you in the next one.